Who would have think the day could have come when we can wear mask in our bank and the security guard not jump on you? We are faced one pandemic, COVID-19. Them say we must wear mask. We muffled. Are we bulldog? Me can't talk. Who would have think this would have been the future? The new norm? We can't touch each other at all. Them say from now on you must keep 6 feet social distance. This a virus, yeah? I kill left, right and center. It's serious for all who have issues underlined in cause. For all people it matter. A vaccine coulda make everything better. Anyway, when all of this happen, everywhere locked down. We have faced one pandemic since the year 2020 start. Me no know who bad from who no good. Everybody in a mask. When me go bank, them check my temperature and let me through. That's all. For some reason, my mind always a see a way to make you laugh. So me say to the teller, give me all of your money. Get flat. Same time, me think and say, you can't say that. You mad? That would not go too far. You might end up in a jail or ball. Me no wonder if at the bank robbery, just the other day Spain is the other name for Spanish town. This make know when you go bank, them I say move your mask. Take off your hat, smile for the camera. Me no know why them never do this before, cause me no want in ya if a robbery for go on. Banks in a COVID-19.